Racing just is started with Friends of Doc. Very quickly at the start, moving upon the outside, Christina, Grace Park Boy in the middle. Forest All Nabrateloba, Brazilian Babe comes next. Marcus Wolf down on the inside comes Sugar Free on the outside. And next on line is Asikuda Ipira, the Queen's King, while Admiral Contender is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Christina by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Grace Park Boy. And on the outside third comes Nabratilova. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Forest All. Moving upon the outside, Carefree Treasure, Prince of Doc. Then comes entry number 5. And this one is Brazilian Babe. Sugar Free comes next. Then followed by Queen's King. Next on line is Marcus Wolf, Admiral Contender, Asikuda, while Ifira now racing in 13th. Last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Grace Park Boy by about 4 lengths. Moving up to take second is Forest All down on the inside. Nabratelova as they swing for whom we have Grace Park Boy by about 4 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Forest All with about 100 meters of the race, but it's still Grace Park Boy, followed by Forest All, and finally Grace Park Boy, Forest All, Sugar Free, Brazilian Babe. Then comes Queen's King for your Super 6.
Lumundag. Sabi.